Good morning, teachers and classmates. Today, I am doing how to avoid cough, cold, first thing you need to avoid how to first thing to avoid have to take a sleep early. Next, drink plenty of water. Next, wear your face mask in where place you go, like Ayala Mall Serene, SM Manila. Thank you for watching.